How to fix unable to download apps on Mac OS Ventura. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video, I will show you unable to download apps and install them on your Mac OS Ventura. So make sure to watch the video till the end. The very first thing you have to do is make sure that you sign out and then sign in back into your current account. To do that, from the top left hand side, navigate to the store section, and then here you want to click on the option that says sign out. When you click on sign out, just go ahead and re-log in back into your Apple ID again. Once you've done that, the other thing you can try to do is to force quit the App Store. Then, first of all, again navigate to the Apple ID profile on the top left. Then you want to go to the force quit option over here. Once you go to force quit, here you want to simply choose App Store and then choose the option called force quit from the bottom right. If this doesn't help either, make sure to go to the official system status page of apple.com/support/system status, and then here you want to make sure that the Mac App Store is actually working just fine, because if this is not highlighted in green, it means that they are facing the issue. The last thing that you can also try to do is to simply try to test your network connection. So you can do this by going to speedtest.net. Make sure you're running a reliable internet connection. If this doesn't help, the other thing you can try to do is to just check for updates. So open settings, go to general, go to software updates, check for updates. If there are updates, make sure to install it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.